Hello, my name is Steve. I am 10 years old. My birthday is on the 19th of June. I am tall and thin. I have short brown hair and big brown eyes. I have a small nose. People tell me that I have a lovely smile. There are 6 people in my family. My father is an engineer. His name is Den. He is very caring and supportive. My mother is a teacher at my school. Her name is Polly. She always takes care of us. I can share anything with my parents. They love all of us dearly. I have 2 sisters, Tina and Jean. They are twins and 7 years old, but they do not look like twins. Tina has long brown hair like my mother. Jean has curly black hair like my dad. I also have a younger brother. His name is Tom. He is 5 years old. I also love playing indoors with my brother and sisters. We have 2 dogs. A big one and a small one. We also have a cat who is gray and white. I go to school every day. I like school because I am learning new things. In school, I enjoy English, history, and art. I do not like mathematics subject. I also got good marks in the test. I love to draw pictures, especially cartoons. In my free time, I play football and basketball. I am a pretty good basket player. I am on the school basketball team and I have won Player of the Year twice. I also really enjoy hiking. I usually go hiking on Sundays with my dad. I like hiking because it is good exercise and I can enjoy the lovely scenery. And I love playing football with my friends. I enjoy watching the stars in the night sky and want to become an astronaut when I grow up.
Never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Learn English very quickly. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.